Namaste and welcome back to my channel. We are talking all about body fantasies today. But three body fantasies, body myths that you might be interested in. And I have them. I have two of them. The other one is for gourmand lovers. So to begin with, my current favorite is this. I've already reviewed it. It's the Clean Ocean Air Fantasy. It's oceanic, aquatic. It's the perfect summer scent and it's the perfect dupe for Dolce & Gabbana light blue eau de toilette for women. I love it. This one is a 236 ml bottle, so it's 30 dirhams. Next one I have is again something I have already reviewed. It's the Twilight Mist. It's a smaller bottle. Now this is the perfect dupe for the Twilight Woods body mist from Bath & Body Works. Difference between these two for me is this is fruity, floral, perfect for evenings, and it's a very romantic date night kind of a scent. I have used it a lot of times when I'm with my husband going on food court dates. Can you say dear? That's the reality of my life, okay? I eat McDonald's and Pizza Hut pizza with my husband in a food court and call it a date. So yeah, this is used for those things. This screams summer. This has more of winter vibes to it. So yeah, both are compliment getters, but they are different. The third one, I don't have it with me because I'm not much of a gourmand lover. But if you are a gourmand lover and you don't really like the vanilla from Body Fantasies, you think it's too cloying, because I think it's very cloying. I'm sorry if you're someone who loves it. As I mentioned, I like more simpler, floral, lighter scents like light blue. Okay, so on that one, I'll put a picture here. It's Iced Cupcake. Let me just check. Yes, it's Iced Cupcake Fantasy. The notes mostly it mentioned is about it being vanilla, it being sweet. It's like the frosting of a cupcake. I don't feel it's that strong, sugary, cloying kind of a thing. Have you had, if you're in UAE, you might have tried the yellow cupcakes that we get from supermarkets. Like 6 of them come together, and some of them are in like sealed packets, like slices of the yellow cake, and then you open it and you smell the cake in itself without any frosting. What does it smell like? Like it's cake, it's yellow cake, there's vanilla, it's sweet, but it's not sickeningly sugary. It's sweet, it's nice, it's pleasant, it just brings nice memories or bad memories of being in school and just not having studied. Anyways, let's not go there. So Iced Cupcake Fantasy is a Body Fantasies body mist I prefer to their vanilla body mist. However, the vanilla one is a dupe for a Victoria's Secret body mist and something else as well, like mainstream gourmand vanilla scents. So these three are my top picks. Let me know what your top picks are, and I hope this video was useful. Before I leave, these are body mists. That's the main reason why I'm not talking about their projection, sillage and longevity, because they are not concentrated perfumes. However, this one has the performance exactly of light blue. It stays longer on clothes, less on the body. Based on your sweating, things can differ, but I'm not complaining. It's like 29 dirhams, so it's fine. This has way more staying power compared to this, but it's obvious because it's a more darker, evening, wintry scent with more fruity notes. That pretty much is it. Bye.